Today on Exploring with the Eggerts, we are going multi-pitch rock climbing. Check it out. What are you concerned about, Gary?
Not having too much and not enough.
It's a common concern every time.
Yeah, not on the unknown.
Yeah, I don't want to take too much. I don't want to
Take too little.
have enough.
Yeah,
Have you ever had any bad experiences on taking too little?
you had a few last climb, Fresno Dome.
This episode is first in a series of rock climbing adventures around Yosemite National Park. Gary and I, along with friends and family, will take you on several epic climbs, as well as introduce you to the ways we keep ourselves safe along the way. We'll start off in southern Yosemite in an area called the Balls. Most of the climbs are still very raw and traditional. It's highly recommended that you have experience in placing your own protection, such as cams, nuts, alpine slings, and even slinging a couple of chicken heads. We're going to climb and explore 3 different areas in the Balls, starting with Nightwatch, then heading over to Book of Revelation, and then we'll end with Squaw Dome. This is Nightwatch. Nightwatch has a bolted 510 route right down the middle and a 5-7 just on the left, up a traditional crack. This 5-7 is what we're going to do today. We learned a little later that someone bolted up a section way on the right with several different ratings. However, none of these routes are documented that we know of. We scouted for at least a half hour all around the base, and it seems that no matter what route you pick, they're all hard starts. Plus, it's quite a hike, even just to get to the base.
Up we go.
It's quite the hike to the top of Ooh, look at all that metal.
Clip it into that bolt. This is a quick draw, or alpine draw actually. Pull them off and you could make it long.
What do you use it for? For those people who don't know how to climb.
To put the rope in.
I think you're only gonna go like 40 feet.
As you can see, Gary has the orange rope tied to his harness. And as he climbs up a route, he'll either start to look for fixed protection, like a bolted hook, or a place to arrange his own protection. by using those metal pieces dangling from his harness. Then once the protection is firmly in place, he'll bring the rope up and into that protection. We'll show you more details on that later.
Well, you know, I'm not quite ready to play here.
Notice how now that the rope is in place and his belayer has him firmly locked, Gary can give it his full weight. And he'll repeat this process all the way to the top. Once Gary reaches the top of his pitch, he'll do a few things before his climbing partner can come up and meet him up there. He'll start off by setting his own personal anchor, and then he'll build a 3-point anchor, and this will allow him to safely belay his climbing partner up to him. Oh, you made that look so easy. Along with bringing up the rope, it's also the job of the follower to remove all the protection that was placed. And sometimes this isn't as easy as it looks. So it looks like Ron and Gary are still on the mountain. It's almost 8 o'clock. And they're rappelling down for some reason. I wonder if something went wrong. It's like just by that tree in the middle.
Well, really nothing went wrong. Tammy was just getting nervous because it was getting kind of late. So we decided just to rappel down, and when the rappel wasn't too bad, but the bushwhacking out was terrible. There was lots of brush, got cut up. So viewers, help us out. Comment below if you've found a good way to get off the mountain.
Well, that's it for Nightwatch. Join us next week as we take on anchors, rappelling, and hanging belays on both Book of Revelation and Squaw Dome. See you then!